Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel The Forex Nexus. In this video we will explain about the daily reentry on gold, how we will identify how we are getting confirmation on gold trade. First of all, we need to know about the current scenario in gold. This is gold daily chart. Here we got the momentum, but also we got extreme here. After the momentum we got daily reentry, then went up, now again coming for the daily reentry. Second reentry is always considered, it's not much powerful than this reentry, because after this we got the CSM, then the market retrace back for the re-entry. So this is the first re-entry after the CSM, and the latest one is now it's not showing any momentum here at this point, but the market is reacting now with Bbma 510 low for re-entry buy. But remember, here we have no CSM, we have CSM here, but we got the re-entry at this point. Now let's move to H4 time frame. On H4 time frame you can see here we got the confirmation. The Bbma 50, but Bollinger Band is little bit tricky, but this is second time frame. Here we got the extreme MLB point, but this was a daily re-entry. On second time frame the market also failed to make momentum here. On daily it's also failed to show some momentum. Now we will move to H1 time frame. On H1 time frame we have two possibilities. We have two possibilities here. We got extreme MLV. This is extreme and this is MLV. Now remember, extreme plus MLV, and also on second time frame we got the confirmation on H4 rejection from Bbma 50, also daily re-entry. But remember, something happening on H1 time frame, also the breakout of Bbma 50 here, then the market is retracing back for the, so this is the area where we will see. I took my trade here at this point, stop loss below the Bbma 50, first take extreme point, first take profit at this point. How the market, why this point? Because on H4 time frame, let's move to H4. This is H4 time frame. On H1 time frame, here we will get rejection from Bbma 50 also, EMA 510 high on H4 time frame here at this point. The gold is looking tricky today. MLV on monthly time frame, CSM on weekly time frame, it's coming down for re-entry on H1 on daily time frame. Got first re-entry, then market coming down again on H4 time frame. The EMA 50 has got breakout here, re-entry coming down, this rejection on the previous last H4 candle. Now on H4 time frame we will see here what's happening here on H4. We have this candle just start now. On daily time on H1 time frame we got confirmation on for daily buy. Now we have two possible scenarios. First, extreme plus MLV buy confirmed, first take profit. We will see here at this point. This is the first trade. Okay, this is the first trade. Now here we will make confirmation. We will make confirmation if we got breakout. Okay, we will hold buy trades, and if we got rejection then we will make confirmation on M15 time frame for re-entry sell on this point. So we have both scenarios today, both possibilities. The market can drop as well and also can go up, but depending on at this point, because it can't drop without testing that zone. Okay, and we can hold our profit, take profit till this point. We have still 80 pips in hand. So this is the gold breakdown today, both possibilities. Let's wait for the London session. If you have any question related to this video, ask me in the comment section below. I will reply, or I will try to make a lesson video on that question. Thank you for watching the video. If you are new, must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lesson. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned with us.